Look, they're back getting their groove on like they did last night, right? I ain't mad at it. You know, fellas usually get in the car, like, yeah, they get in a boat because there ain't no streets. They get in the boat. You know, when you was young, you had to worry about, don't go so hard, the car be bouncing. You ain't got to worry about it in the boat. Nobody know. They think you're hitting waves. Anyway, this is the Rialto Bridge. It's supposed to be one of the heaviest, biggest bridges in Europe, in Italy. I'm sorry, Italy. That's walkable. A lot of people make over it. I don't, simply because